Hello there. I'm a baby rhino, and I make whining sounds like this. Yes, we love wallowing in the mud. It's good for our skin. Time to go. Bye.